Can you explain how to get indexed and listed on AI platforms? Feed content, right? Publish content into certain properties. I could probably answer that question better for you in a couple of weeks. I just got access to RankBreeze last week, Peter Drew's tool, and I just started yesterday working through that process. It's a bit intensive learning how to work all that stuff and how to feed data into the large language models. That's precisely what his software does. It's called RankBridge. The offer is currently closed right now, but he will be reopening it in a couple of months, so you might want to get on his list. It's rank rbagent.biz, rbagent.biz. We're going to do a promotion to our list for Peter Drew for sure. I got access to the software. I just started going through it yesterday. I had an hour and a half scheduled to start setup. I ended up spending 2 hours on it yesterday. It's going to be a while. I'm developing a full SOP on how to set these campaigns up and build all the necessary assets and all that, because this is not something that I want to do, but I am doing it now so that I can develop the SOPs, because I'm going to train at least 2 team members to then be able to perform these services for my agency clients, my own agency, as well as my agency clients as white label service provider. But then what we're going to, once I have those SOPs developed, that will be the bonus that we give out to anybody that purchases RankBridge through our affiliate link when we do the promotion. The SOP will be freaking invaluable. I promise you that, because this is a very intensive process. It's a lot of work. And in the Discord group that he has set up for this, there's all kinds of questions about, can somebody create a checklist and this and that? And I'm going to have full on SOPs so that I can train my own team members. And then those will become bonuses that we give out for those. But just go watch some of the videos that Peter talks about on this page here, and go to Peter's YouTube channel. And he's done a lot of posts in his Facebook profile about this stuff. And you can learn a lot just from Peter. Spent like the last 2 years really just engrossed it, like really balls deep in this stuff, so to speak. So